Hello friends, yeah, I will show you how to buy domain from GoDaddy. All right. So first of all, you can search your domain name. Then you will see the some result. It will take little time. Then you can buy the domain as you want. So I will buy the domain, cheap price domain. All right. Then you can buy domain according to your need. I will buy this domain. Another thing like initialsol.com, your live review initial solution, okay, online. I'll buy this domain initial solution.online, then click add to cart button. It will take little bit time. The edit, then continue. No need the full domain protection, ultimate domain. I'll free privacy protection. No professional email, no need. Just continue. I will buy just for 1 year, not 5 years. Okay. It will start almost $1. No need other. I will just pay with PayPal. Then it will take tax and fee. Then complete. This is the easy process. You can buy from your payment method like PayPal. Also, you can use credit card. Yeah, my domain is completed. Yes, my domain part is completed. Now need to set up. I will share you another video how to domain setup, and I will share how to buy, how to set up. I will share you I button. Also, I will share video description. So thank you for the watching, and stay with me and like this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.